Give your Tacoma the perfect blend of performance, protection, and style from rough country. Unmatched ground clearance to conquer on- and off-road obstacles, maintain smooth, OEM-like ride. T6061 aircraft quality billet aluminum, levels the front with the rear. Easy at-home installation and support provided by RC. No strut disassembly or strut compressor required for installation. Backed by Rough Country's limited lifetime replacement warranty. Rough Country's 2 Tacoma Leveling Kit makes it quick and easy to level the front of your Tacoma, providing an aggressive stance and enough ride height to run up to 32 tires. At stock height, the Tacoma pickup sits higher in the rear than the front, giving the truck a nose-down look. This easy-to-install kit levels the front of your vehicle with the rear for a vastly improved look and additional ride height. A set of high-quality, durable strut spacers bolt right onto the strut and can be easily installed using common tools in a home garage. This strut spacer kit also features Rough Country's lifetime replacement warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Good product. If you're not familiar with doing this type of install, watch a few different videos on YouTube.